Hi, I'm Anil Handa. I'm an interior decorator, and we manufacture furniture, and we do sort of turnkey interior design and all your contractual work, flooring, false ceilings, right down to the carpet and the artifact on your tables as well. We kind of treat each project differently depending on the space, the person. Is very personality driven, and depending on your requirements, on where it's located. Whether you want something very contemporary, something classical, depending on each site as it speaks to us when we enter the space. So let me walk you around this house and try and deconstruct for you how we kind of came about to designing this place. This space is in a village inside a green belt and a Indian village. Actually, it's in New Delhi. So let's take a walk. So this is the entrance foyer. You come into the main road, and we've given some art, as the first backdrop, and a lobby for people you don't want to take immediately inside, and it makes the entrance look vibrant and nice. Then we, from the lobby, made this corridor so that other storages and all could be hidden behind it. And a nice antique cabinet came in, a beautiful old kilim rug, some interesting lighting, and the beams start from here because this is in a village. And if you notice the flooring, it's handmade terrazzo tile, beautiful old artisans, thousands of years of our culture, which is feeding in. As we come in here, you'll see there's a juxtaposition of various materials and designs. So what it shows is that the rules are there are no rules, and you can marry one material with the other. You can you can have fun, do stuff that just looks nice, and you stylize it according to each individual person's need. So if you pan around, you'll see some beautiful art, some handmade metal made out of complete waste. There's a beautiful table here with bone, handmade again. Flooring looks very nice. There's an antique sofa on one side, very Sri Lankan, very Indian, very Geoffrey Bawa. Then we've got this beautiful quilting, and it's the same as this ebony macassar behind this. These are very contemporary, so we added a touch of the modern and the current. So, and you see these lovely two stools at the bottom, which have been painted in gold. We brought in a little gold leaf, which is on a temple in, say, Thailand. The exact same square gold leaf, real gold comes in. Art from Morocco. There's a beautiful cabinet and some very interesting harlequin patterns on the upholstery here. Faux leather, which stretches in its two-tone. Some lovely table, artifacts. So beautiful horns, kudu horns from Africa. Again, you'll notice some materials juxtaposed, like high gloss, bright color with a dark base. At the carcass is in a different color. So you bring in all the elements. Then you can walk in here to the dining space. This is a table and chairs we saw in Italy, in a beautiful home. So we just thought that we'll bring it in over here. That's a jewelry cabinet which has got mother of pearl inlay on it, which was made about 25 years ago. These lovely oriental chairs, again are handmade, and these are made in India with our Indian teak because it lasts longer than any other material, with a little bit of brass work that we've added from Kutch. Beautiful art, some handmade lights as well, buffet cabinets, again a nice color to give it some more depth. So as this is a village home, we decided, other than the handmade, Rajasthani beautiful terrazzo wooden, the flooring, we added some old wooden beams that we got out from an old, like a project which is like old home being broken down, and a new project was coming up over there. Little veranda that was here, that we managed to put a little bit of greenery in it, put some swings and some green elements. So it's very important to be able to marry the old and the new, things which are current. Obviously, some areas do get over stylized, but that is not the intent. Some people want it very minimalistic and very basic. So, you can mix, say, a very contemporary, like a B&B Italia, Maltini tables, with something which is an old piece, and you put in a new color on it, giving it new life. So, sustainability, reusing materials has become a big thing internationally because we're trying to save our planet. And most of the materials that we use now are good for your breathing. They don't cause, there's no melamine in the product, in the polishes. The plies which are being come, even green ply in India now has, is like toxin free. So there's a lot of good things happening, and each individual client we can, customize from a completely contemporary, space, or a very modern and minimalistic to, like a very classical theme, say a living room, pub, bar area, or, a home. So everything is possible, and everything comes from our side at least with pretty much 100% guarantee. And having worked for the television industry for like 30 years, set studios, for NDTV and CNBC, TV18 and such, we are used to giving everything on time, and it comes with our personal, handshake and a guarantee that we don't want you to use a piece made by us which is, like not correct, or if it were to break due to whatever reason, we're good to help you with that. So this is one of the styles that we have done, that we've shown you this time. Next time around we'll take you to another project which will be completely diametrically opposite to what we've seen here. So please feel free to reach out to us anytime if you want some ideas. Sometimes we can even give you some advice free of cost. Everything doesn't have to be commercial in life, and we'll be happy to work with you if you want to use our expertise. Looking forward to meeting you all.